Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the store mode function on the Oysho application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen below. And then tap on the store mode button, which is the fifth option. Here you should search for a town, so type in the name of your town to search for a nearby store and tap on the relevant one. Here you can tap on this shop in this store button, so select a category and see whether you can find what products you can find at the store. If you want to, you can apply filters to narrow down your search and check out the products in detail. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.